very well-made films, and Angamala Diaries, I've heard a lot about it. It's a big super hit made with 86 newcomers. So it's not a joke. I think they're all excited to see what's in there. The 86 newcomers have got their big break, and let's see. Maybe it's remade in Hindi sometimes.
You have also got
Beautiful. Can you tell us what regarding? Oh, my costume, yeah, here for the film, yeah. Okay, my costume, just a regular, like, wow, it's a film costume, it's not some red carpet thing. I'm wearing forever new dress.
Ma'am, you have also worked for South films. What difference do you find when working in Hindi films and South films as such?
I have worked for South films. There's no difference. It's end of the day, we are just acting. We are artists. We are acting here. We are acting in Bollywood or in Tamil, Telugu.
It's more professional than Hindi.
No, it's not like that. Hindi is also very, very professional. At least the people I have worked with.
And people are more punctual over there as compared.
It's not like that. It's just something that is being said. I have never experienced not being punctual on the sets. I think Bollywood, Tollywood, everybody has to be punctual if they're making movies.
And what are your film projects you are working in right now?
I have currently just finished shooting for Look, which is a psychological thriller. And I think they're lovely actors like Javed Jafri, Vijay Raj, and ensemble cast are looking forward.
And you are looking so much fit. Any planning?
We are actually got to be fit.
कई बड़े बड़े लेजेंड आए हैं, अनुपमा जैसे बड़े बड़े स्टार आए आपकी फिल्म को क्रिटिक देने के लिए.
It's a proud moment for Malayalam cinema actually, and all of us, Lijo, for me, for Friday Film House. I mean, such a small movie from a small state like Kerala. It's been honored here by the Bollywood, by a big crowd here, and we thank 1018 MB and Vijay Nambiar for organizing such a show for us. And we are amazed by the response. I mean, it's the love for good cinema, and all credits go to Lijo because we introduced 86 newcomers in this movie. And to have 86 newcomers who have never faced a camera, it's a nightmare for the director. So all credits to him. I just.
So what do you want to say that all Bollywood celebrities are coming and here to motivate you?
I'm old. I'm super glad to see the kind of crowd which has turned up today evening. I just want to see how they respond to the cinema.
How you see the Bollywood and Malayalam star Tollywood is that what difference is between?
I seriously don't know what to say about it, but I don't see any difference. Basically, we all make cinema. Good cinema and bad cinema, that's all. So we try to make good cinema everywhere, in all industries. That's what.
So any planning, sir, entering in Bollywood, sir?
No. It's about cinema. It's not about Bollywood. Yeah, but it's about Hindi cinema. If there is some movie which can be remade from Malayalam, we are looking forward to it.
So what about you, sir? Bollywood?
I have not planned as of now anything. If something interesting comes my way, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I'm actually a Tamil and a Malayali myself. My native place is Kerala. I haven't worked in Malayali film yet though. I haven't done Malayalam cinema yet. I've done Telugu, Telugu and Kannada. So, yes. Yes, the PETA event was yesterday and we launched India's first fashion lookbook for vegan fashion. So, I'm wearing cotton today. So, I don't really use leather and stuff in real life anyway. And I'm happy to be part of PETA.
After Commando 2, what's in the pipeline?
Lots and lots of stuff, but as you met me even before Commando 2 and I signed it then and I didn't tell you, but I feel like you should start projects and then speak about them happily.
And the kind of thing that played in Commando, you want to continue that kind of, it was very more time to kind of go ahead?
I think with every film you should do a different role. If you're an actress and you're getting to play different characters, that's what we are all looking for. So I try with each film to do something new. So with Commando, I try to do something funny. In all the South films, most of the ones I've done, my roles have been very emotionally, I've been crying and all in films. So.
Ma'am, what is the difference between different South Indian film and a Bollywood film, according to you?
I'll be very diplomatic and say the language is yes. It started. I don't want to miss the film. Okay, I'm going to watch the film. It's a language. The language is totally different, and I have to mug up lines because I don't speak Telugu or Kannada. So when I do a South film, I'm sitting with a book. I feel like I'm in school 10th standard exams.
Ma'am, today your costume is different. Can you tell us about your costume?
My costume.
Related and you did a hairstyle coloring. Can you tell us about regarding?
My hair was colored yesterday also. I put a choti today. This is the hairstyle, this is the earring, and this is my costume. And now I must go watch the film because of this I'll miss, and I don't like missing more.
Thank
Bye.
you so much.
हाथ चूपेटे तुम लोग आईडी बंद करो अरे हटना
रोल 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 हुआ
यार
आ जाओ सर सर जस्ट रोलिंग Harshvardhan, you are working many South films. What kind of difference you find in South working culture and working in a Bollywood film?
मुझे लगता है सब कुछ सेम हो गया है। अब तो आर्टिस्ट भी सेम हो गए, सब आर्टिस्ट शेयर हो रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर शेयर हो रहे हैं, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर शेयर हो रहे हैं, टेक्नीशियंस बहुत सारे एक्सचेंज हो रहे हैं। एक जो फ़र्क मुझे लगता है वो ये है कि जब मूवी आपकी बन जाती है और उसके बाद जब प्रमोशन शुरू होता है तो मुझे लगता है बहुत डिफरेंस है। वहाँ पे आप 2 हफ्ते में शायद प्रमोशन एक हद तक कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे वास्ट ख़त्म ही नहीं होता। कितनी भी आप प्रमोशन कर लीजिए, 3 महीने 2 महीने भी कर लीजिए, उसके बाद भी शायद कुछ लोग आपको बोल सकते हैं कि थोड़ा और करना चाहिए था प्रमोशन।
It's also the South stars are very punctual. They are on time on the sets and all these things. When you compare
नहीं, टाइम पे तो सभी जाते हैं आजकल। मुझे नहीं लगता, मैं पहले की स्टोरी सुनता था कि लोग शायद लेट आते थे, एक आधा शिफ्ट लेट, ऐसा मैंने अपने सामने आज तक कभी देखा नहीं है। थैंकफुली मैं जिन लोगों के साथ मैंने काम किया है उन लोगों ने मुझे सिखाया है। साउथ में मुझे सीखने को मिला है कि पंक्चुअलिटी वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स ऑन दिस प्लैनेट।
at the PETA event, what is the association with PETA as such?
पीटा के लिए मैं अपनी खाल भी खींचने के लिए तैयार हूँ। रेडी सर, रेडी सर। अभी मैंने रिसेंटली उनके लिए एक कैंपेन किया जहाँ पे वो लोग कहते हैं कि एनिमल से बनी हुई चीज़ें नहीं पहननी चाहिए, एनिमल स्किन से जो चीज़ें बनती, खासकर लेदर। लेकिन मैं ग्वालियर से हूँ, वहाँ पे हमको ऐसा दिखाया जाता था, बताया जाता था कि बड़े माचो बनने के लिए लेदर की जैकेट वगैरह, लेकिन ये माचोनेस अपनी और भी चीज़ों से आप एस्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं। किसी जानवर की खाल खींचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो पीटा के साथ मैं जुड़ा हूँ, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ और हमेशा जुड़ा रहना चाहता हूँ।
Any planning upcoming project?
श्योर, एक बिजॉय सर के साथ ही है, अभी जाके उनसे पूछ के आता हूँ। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
लाइट बंद है यार, चालू है वो वेट अरे रुक जाओ यार, आईडी बाद में करो, पिक्चर लेट हो गया। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।